Okay, this is 1530 Spruce Street. Large apartment building in the Rittenhouse Square neighborhood, bordering Rittenhouse Square Graduate Hospital. Tons of bars and restaurants nearby. It sits on beautiful Spruce Street. This building's called the Newport. Okay, it's really pretty. Well maintained, updated building. Nice land, like flower pots. It's a really pretty building. This is the main entrance. Keypad entry. There's a small gym in the building. It's an elevator building as well. Goes all the way to the end there. And all the way up. There's a second entrance. Or exit. Around the corner. So again, keypad entry. Can be dropped off inside the locked door, which is a huge benefit today. Okay, this is the common area. Really nicely maintained, great security. Okay, that's that other entrance I was showing you before. Here's the elevator, stairwell. Okay, I'm gonna go down. I'm gonna be waiting a second. Go down to see some of the other common spaces. There's your mail area. Okay. Another one of your exits. The elevator. That's how we get up to the unit. Again, really nicely maintained. Well secured property. If you don't have stackable washer dryer in the unit, which many of them do, these are some common area units if needed. Here's the fitness center. So everything will go on. Nice machines. That's the game. Standard bench. Weights. Lots of cardio equipment. That's the common space. Now, as we head back up, we would then be going to the unit. That's what will connect to this video to show you the main space. Hope you like it. Okay, now we're going to unit 921. There's the staircase down. We're on the top floor of the building. Nice landing area. It's the elevator. now. We're heading through the end of the hall. Unit 921. Peephole. It's a really nice apartment. Clean, safe, nice ceiling height. You're on the top floor, which is great. You have no neighbors above you. Really great views of the city. Great space for living and dining. Nice open kitchen, nice storage space, refrigerator, cabinets, gas stove, disposal, some character for your rags. Great unit, great spacing. Here's your bedroom. Again, great ceiling height. Great layout. Perfect closet with some built-ins. Another great part about being on this floor is that when you're up this high, the noise is very minimal on the street, even though you're in Center City. Some additional storage. Nice piece. Here's the bathroom. Vanity with great storage space. Medicine cabinet. Tub, shower combo. Great window, brings in a lot of natural light. The views from here are incredible. That's the space. Inquire ASAP, this should go quick. We also have a floor plan that's available if you want to see that. And let us know if you're interested. Thank you.